Toastmaster Shrivashini, the change, Toastmaster Shrivashini.
Am I visible and audible?
Yes, you are.
Or do I have to make any adjustment?
Yeah, perfectly fine.
Good morning, fellow Toastmasters and guests. The only constant in life is change. This was my extempo in L&T interview, and it is somehow related to my life too. After 3 to 4 hours of intense labor pains, my mother delivered me in the midnight of March 2nd, 1990. Any guesses?
7.
It's 1998, and it's 8. And yeah, I'm younger than most of you people over here, so don't be jealous of me for that. To ease me in telling who I am, I have divided my story into 4 segments where I'll be briefing a little in each phase. The first one, a chatty kid. This was 3.5-year-old me who was trying to cross a road to get a candy along with my friend who was 1 year elder to me. I hated him as he was directing me to cross the road. So this time I instructed him to stay on the other side and decided to cross the road all alone. And yeah, I started running across the road and I was hit by a two-wheeler, but it was moving at a very minimal speed. I started crying so loud that many people came onto the roads. But the irony was, instead of feeling pardon for a little kid who fell over there, they started laughing. You know why? I was fighting with the driver, pointing out that it was his mistake. This was how I was, being very bold, fighting with others even if it was my mistake, talking like a chatterbox all the time. The second phase, an innocent child. A garrulous kid in me was transformed into a very reserved student. What do you want to become? Asked one of my teacher. Teacher, replied the 8-year-old me. What do you want to become? Was once again asked to me. Doctor, replied the 10-year-old me. What do you want to become? Was once again asked to me. This time, with a little pride in me, I told, an IAS officer. But here I am, standing in front of you as a civil engineer, which was not even in my dreams back then. So this is how life treats you. Be it the situations around you, be it your response to them, be the people surrounding you, or be it your opinions towards them. Nothing in life is constant. I studied my schooling till 12th in Mahabubnagar, Telangana. I was good in my academics and extracurriculars too. So I was getting enough appreciation from my teachers, because of which I loved going to school. The third phase, an exploring one. This phase has really improved me a lot in many ways. And guess what phase it might be? This is during my graduation, and I did my graduation from NIT Trichy. Being very far away from home and being a hostler for the first time, I started to lead an independent life. It was very difficult for me to get out of the first rank syndrome I was having till then. I was feeling very low and had a lot of insecurities. But amidst all the chaos, it was a very wonderful journey where I got to meet many people who inspired me in many ways, where I got a different level of exposure, where I got to know about my responsibilities and started looking at life with a different perspective. The fourth phase, a transition phase, campus to corporate. Right after my graduation, I started working with L&T as a GET from the year 2019. More than what I have been learning from the past 15 to 20 years of my education, L&T has taught me in just an year, be it technically or be it in other aspects of my life. I improved a lot and became a better person. My shoulders, which were very light till then, started feeling heavy. And at one point, I was given a task by mentor Selvarajan sir to join into Toastmasters. So this is how I am in front of you now. I would not have gotten a better platform than this to improve my public speaking skills and to get out of my writer's block. Coming to my hobbies, this is the thing I actually brainstormed a lot because I love to do many things, but I also love doing nothing. Jokes apart, I like dancing. Playing caroms and badminton are some of my hobbies. I believe passion has no real meaning. As in, you feel something as passionate only when you are good at it. So, improving myself and excelling in the current field I am in is the only thing I am looking forward in future. To conclude, even though it is said that the change is the only constant thing in life, it is also said not to lose diamond while chasing for glitters. So, no matter what your dreams are, no matter what the situations may be, don't lose yourself while adapting to the changes.